to the YouTube channel. As you can see, we're at now Burger King. Shout out to Runes and his pop for helping us with the money to get this sandwich. Then thank you to God for give us another day. Taryn, what do you have to say to the YouTube?
Hey, look, show him how we mix this shit, bro.
Okay, show them. Put them on.
Nah. Secret.
Secret. It's only Utah boys.
Or no, buffalo sauce right here.
Buffalo sauce.
Ranch right here.
Ranch right here.
Together, we put on top of the sandwich.
Oh, so how would you do it?
We just mix it, bro.
Oh, mix it. And we got another viewer out there. Yes, sir.
Like this, Joe.
Oh, like that.
Mm-hmm. Hey, hold on.
Nah.
Look at it. Turn up the music. Alright, show it to my face.
Show it to his face.
Big boy right there.
Big bird, he said. Big bird.
Look at that, creamy. Oh, god damn.
You guys all over. Look at that.
Tomato.
Oh. And we got the, as you can see, we got the raspberry and cherry on top. Then we got the other boys on this table. We got the other people. Thank you to the employees for making the sandwich. And yeah, shout out to this guy right here for dropping another music. And shout out to this guy's mom, because I'm gonna drop her in the morning to work. Okay, watch y'all pass it back. So the elementary kids touch is only one that he's welcome.